In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the TradingView charts. So come up here to products and select the super charts. And once you're on a chart, you want to click on the symbol up here and type in whatever one you want to do. So in this case, let's do Apple. So search for Apple, you can type the name or you can type the symbol name. Select this one and now I'm on the Apple chart. Then if I want to place a buy order, and first you need to connect your broker, which you can do down here, trading panel. Drag on the gray line here and then connect your broker or do a demo account. Now, once you're here, if you want to do buy or sell, just select up here. So let's say I want to do a buy order. This will open up my buy order. And then you can do a market or a limit order, which I usually do. You can also do a stop order, but I rarely use that one. So market order basically means you're just gonna buy it at the price that it's at right now. So if it's at this price and I buy it, it's gonna buy it at this price. Now a limit order means you're gonna buy it at a specific price. So when the price hits the one that you put it at, it's gonna make the buy order. So let's say you only wanna buy it once it reaches 220. Type in 220 and you can make a take profit and a stop loss. Select the cross here so you can change the stop loss and take profit. And right now what this means is when price hits 220.49, it's gonna make our buy order. If it reaches 243.28, it's gonna take the profit. If it reaches 212, it's gonna take our loss and stop the trade on these. So that's basically how that works. If you wanna do a sell order, obviously that means you expect the price to go down. So take profit needs to be under like this. Now that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.